Hi, I'm Jennifer, owner of Anatomy of Style Interior Design, and today's topic is color therapy for your home. Color plays a profound role in shaping our moods, our productivity, and even our health. So the psychology of color is well understood by most artists, especially set designers, graphic designers, and interior designers. And colors are greatly affected by their environment, such as surrounding colors, lighting, and the texture of a surface. So it's very important to test any sample or paint in your own space before making a commitment. So I hope you enjoyed this presentation. So generally speaking, warm colors tend to be more stimulating and cool colors are generally more calming and relaxing. Light neutral colors produce feelings of calm and relaxation. Dark neutral colors are more serious and profound. Now, dark colors with bright chroma like jewel tones suggest richness and strength. Red is associated with passion, love, excitement, stimulus, danger, and conspicuousness. A dark neutralized version of red is associated with wealth, power, and evil. Pink is associated with cheerfulness, youth, and festivity. Pastel pink, femininity, innocence, relaxation, and delicacy. Orange, friendliness, warmth, celebration, and clarity. A dark neutral orange, wealth, success, fame, and rich depth, which is a great color for a home office or any office, by the way. Pastel orange is associated with security, relaxed euphoria, and is said to stimulate the appetite. Yellow, cheerful optimism, sunshine, springtime, renewal, intensity, demanding, revealing, warmth, intellect, and stimulation. Dark neutral yellow, wealth, affluence, status, distinction, high esteem. Pastel yellow, intelligence, wisdom, compassion, freshness, cheerfulness, optimism, goodness, clarity, and cleanliness. Green, nature, calmness, friendliness, integrity, practicality, frankness. Dark neutral green, solidity, wealth, anchor tenacity, security. Blue-green, sea and sky, cleanliness, nostalgia, calmness. Yellow-green, youthfulness, freshness, and happiness. Blue, loyalty, honesty, integrity, royalty, stimulation, and even restlessness. Deep neutral blue, sincerity, conservatism, safety, peacefulness, kindness, compassion. Pastel blue, cleanliness, calm, expanded time and space. Purple, optimism, imagination, royalty, dignity, poise, renewal, commitment, drama. Dark and neutralized, depth, richness, security, sternness, sobriety. Pastel purple, freshness, springtime, flowers, imaginativeness, femininity, kindness, and sensitivity. I want to say something about the color green because it is highly recommended for anyone going through major changes, transition, or stress because it overall just brings feelings of wellness and calmness because of its association with nature. And purple, I'm going to add, is a very tricky color. Rarely does it look good in its pure form unless it's just a small accent. I think it looks much better to neutralize it, lighten it or darken it, or add a little blue or red. Just a pure purple can look a little bit too much, a little garish, but it's beautiful and it's one of my favorite colors in the more darker neutralized version. So just wanted to give you that little tip. And I just want to leave you with this because Americans are very conservative in general with their color compared to other countries. And so I just want to open up your mind a little bit and leave you with these dramatic room scenes of pretty explosive color. Some of the scenes are pretty over the top, some are more doable and livable, but I just want to open up your imagination just a little bit and leave you with these final images. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to like and subscribe. This is a brand new YouTube channel and there will be more to come.